Today I'm going to be showing you how to take your everyday makeup routine into a fall, cozy look with products you already have at home. These are my 5 tips that I'm going to give to you. Fall is here and it's the perfect time to give your everyday makeup a seasonal twist. And you know what's crazy? You probably already have these products at home. And that's exactly what I'm going to be showing you guys today. Hi guys, my name is Diane. If you're new to this channel or you're returning back, thank you so much. Okay, tell me why it still feels like summer, but I'm in my fall makeup era. My first tip would be to simply switch to a warmer base or warmer bronzer. We want to warm up our skin and use a deeply slated darker bronzer than what we would usually use. Or in my case, I'm going to be using a warmer toned blush. This can be like the color burnt orange or rose. I was gonna do a orangey burnt blush. I couldn't find it though. I was gonna use a mauve blush too, but it went missing, so I couldn't. So I kind of mixed the pink that I usually do with the other ones, and I still think that it gave me a really nice toasty look to it. The reason why you want to use these blushes or bronzers in these type of shades, it's because it's gonna give you an autumn sun-kissed effect without looking orange. It's giving toasty, it's giving cute, it's giving what you need
for fall.
The second thing you can do to make your makeup look more fall-y, if that is the word, is you can use eyeshadow. And eyeshadow to shift your look. Like think browns, coppers, burnt oranges, golds, shimmer, or even taupe. I don't know, but it's muted and it's
Perfect.
That's gonna give you the look that you're desiring. In this video right over here, I actually showed you guys 2 different looks. And mind you, I'm not a makeup artist, where you can take an everyday brown, and it doesn't even have to be an eyeshadow. You can use your bronzer as an eyeshadow. You can use that and then use your own highlighter, which is what I'm showing you guys. I'm using my own highlighter and I'm putting it in the inside of my inner eye to create an eyeshadow look. It's giving more shimmer. That's the vibe it's going for. Let's say you don't want any color. You're more like a natural girly, but you still want to create this look. Okay, perfect. Let's pick up your bronzer. Let's pick up your bronzer powder. Anything brown, literally any powder that you have brown, any eyeshadow brown, just smudge it on there and that's it. That with mascara and some lashes, girl, I promise you you're good. It's gonna look amazing. If you're more adventurous, like I said, you can pick up a copper, a gold, a rose gold. What I tend to do is I simply put down the base of a brown. I grab my finger, which you'll see in this video. I put it in the inner eye, and that's it. I kind of blend it a little bit, sometimes depending on what shade I put inside. If it's like a gold or a rose gold, I kind of make the outside just a little bit darker. And again, we're just using browns, a light brown or a dark brown, and it makes the biggest difference. I'm going to show you guys what I would consider like more of like a natural beat. Like I don't care. It's like my everyday makeup. Here's the brown. On the other side, you can see that I went more rose gold. Actually, it's kind of like an orange gold. An orange goldy. I don't know what kind of tone that was, but it's
Copper gold, bronzy gold.
oh my gosh, I hope that makes sense. You saw me. I used my finger, used the same brush for every step, and boom, there you have it. It's so easy, guys. You don't have to overthink it. And the one thing about makeup is don't be afraid to wear color. Don't be afraid to get dirty. Don't be afraid that it's messy, that it's this and that. That's okay. Over time, it will look better. I don't care how mine looks like. From a distance, it doesn't matter. No one's gonna be like, oh my God, girl, you didn't like mix the colors, right? No, because they're all browns, they're all within the same families. It's super easy to blend. Just changing your crease shade to a warmer tone makes a big difference. Are we on 4 or 5? I don't know, I lost count. Number 4, lip color swap. This one kind of depends, but basically what you're gonna wanna do is replace your everyday nude pink lipstick with a more brown, mauve color. You can even do a deep nude lipstick. Hear me out. I'm showing you 2 different lip options that I did. This one's a more muted lip. I did want to put in nudes because I know nudes right now is like the go-to. It's like a light brown nude. So I mixed it with gloss. If you're not into bold lips, just layer a nude lip gloss with brown lip liner for the fall. It's that easy. Everyone has a lip liner and everyone has gloss. If you don't, that's okay. But you should. Whereas in this video, you can see that I use a deeper nude lipstick, and this one's from Root For Me, my fave. And I paired it with like a clear gloss instead of a shimmery gloss. And you can see the difference that just a shade of lipstick and lip glosses make on a person and how it really brings the look together. Number 5 is highlighter. You want to add highlighter for a bit of warmth. Not sparkle, but glow. I feel like with every good fall look, it kind of looks matted but glowy. I unfortunately didn't have a matte spray, so I actually used a dewy one. You can see me saying no, don't use that, but I love it a lot and I don't think I can change that. I love looking dewy. These tips will help your fall aesthetics come together, but I also did want to mention that in fall, don't be afraid to change up the hair, to darken it. And that's it, just a few simple tweaks and your everyday makeup routine turns into a cozy fall look. Remember, you don't need to change up your whole routine. Just switch a few tones. Warm up your bronzer. Add in those brown nude shades to soften and warm to bring in that autumn vibe. If you try this look or you listen to the tips that I suggested, please tag me or comment down below. I would love to see your fall glow up. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell so you don't miss my next video. I'm still trying to figure out a niche, but I kind of do a bit of everything, so bear with me. Anyways, guys, as always, love it, hate it, but just enjoy it. Bye, guys.